Good morning, 5th class children. Today let us open page number 18 in course book. Factors. Next concept, factors. Let us find the factors of 15. See, 1 into 15, 15. 2 into no number when multiplied with 2 gives 15. So, 2 into nothing. Next, 3 into 15, 3 into 5, 15. 4 into again no number when multiplied with 4 gives 15. Same is the same case for numbers up to 14. So here these two cases only we will get 15. So 1 15 is 15, 3 5 is 15. So 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Let us see one more example. Check whether 9 is a factor of 54 or not. See, 54 divide with 9. 9 6 are 54. 54 minus 54, 0. So, remainder is 0 in the division. So, 9 is a factor of 54. 9 is a factor of 54. Factors, important facts. In the previous video we have learned about multiples and multiples important facts. Now in this video learn factors and its important facts. 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1 is a factor of all numbers. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. So, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. So, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 and itself. 1 and itself. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. The least factor of any number is 1. The least factor is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. Okay. Now come to next page. Common factors. Next one. Common factors. See, here is an example. In Vanilla's garden, 9 red rose plants are planted in a single line. Yellow rose plants are planted in 3 rows with 3 plants in each row. Based on this information, which color rose plants are more in number in the garden? See here, red rose plants are planted in a single line. See, this is the red rose plants. And yellow rose plants are planted in 3 rows. Each row has 3 plants. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, 9 plants in one row. Totally 9 plants. 3 plants in 3 rows. 3 into 3, 9 plants. Both are equal. 1 into 9 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So, the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now let us consider the number 18. How we can write 18? 1 18s, 18. 2 9s, 18. 3 6, 18. So here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. No other numbers up to 17 can be multiplied to get the product of 18. So, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Are there any common factor for 9 and 18? Yes, the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So, in these two cases, which numbers are same? 1, 3, 9. Both cases, these numbers are same. Among these factors, 1, 3 and 9 are the factors for both 9 and 18. So, 1, 3, 9 are the common factors of 9 and 18. Okay? 1, 3 and 9 are the common factors of 9 and 18. Now let us find the common factors of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. 12 can be written as a product of 1 12s 12, 2 6 12, 3 4s 12. So is there any case is there to write 12 as a product? No. So here 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 12 are the factors. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now 15 can be written as a product of 1 15s 15, 3 5s 15. These two cases only. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So what are the common factors in these? 1, 3, 1, 3 only. So the common factors of 12 and 15 are 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only. Now come to the next page, page number 20 children. Next new concept, prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Let us write the factors of numbers from 1 to 10. See here, these are the 1 to 10 numbers and these are the factors. 1 only the factor itself. 2 1 2. Two numbers are the factors. 3 1 3. 4 1 2 4. 5 1 5. 6 1 2 3 6. 7 1 7. 8 1 2 4 8. 9 1 3 9. 10 1 2 5 and 10 are the factors. See here, 2 3 5 7. These numbers only has two factors. These numbers has only two factors. One is 1 and the second one is the number itself. One factor is 1 and the second factor is the number itself. So see here, the numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7 have only two factors each, and those two factors are 1 and the number itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. These numbers are called prime numbers. So see, what is a prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. The number that is divisible by only itself and the number 1 only. These numbers are prime numbers. These numbers with factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. One more definition. The numbers with factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5 and 7 from this table are prime numbers. From this table, 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers. Next, the numbers with more than two factors are called composite numbers. The numbers with more than two factors numbers are called composite number. From this table, what are composite numbers? 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 are called composite number. See here, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are composite numbers. So 1 has only one factor 1. The number 1 has only one factor 1. So it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. In prime numbers, 2 only the even prime number. The remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers. The smallest prime number is 2. What is the smallest prime number? 2. See here. Let us see the prime and composite numbers up to 100. So 1 to 100 numbers are given. So see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These numbers are prime numbers and the remaining numbers are composite numbers. Okay, these green colored highlighted numbers are prime numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers with factors 1 and itself are the prime numbers. So the factors of 2, 1 and 2 only. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Like that, factors of 53, 1 and 53 only. So these type of numbers are prime numbers. The remaining numbers are composite numbers. Okay children, the remaining concepts we will discuss in the next video.